And welcome to Mr. Bevan's Turing Basics. I'm going to go through some of the features that Turing has as a programming language offered to high school students. First off, you might have to download it at home, so we can go to this website as I've highlighted up above. Once we've downloaded it, it will look something basic like on our screen right here. I'll just open it for you. Okay, here's the basic Turing environment right here. We have the run button, which we'll get to later. We have the open, the save, indenting for indenting our code properly to make it easy to read, a print, a cut, copy, paste, just like normal in Word or any other program where we've used it, and find and replace. So, like every programmer, we must have comments. Some code is difficult to understand, even if you understand the language it is written in. So what designers have done in the programming language have allowed us to comment our code. So I'll show you the very basics of commenting the code. First off, just %. This is a comment. Now if I want to do a multi-line comment, what I do is /. This is a multi-line code, and I end it with an asterisk /. Now, with every program we should always have your name, the date, the name of the file, and a simple brief description of what the program is going to be about. Now what I'm going to do is hit the save button and save my file. Now as you can see, I've saved it as hello world, and then it will add a .t on the end. Now it's saved, and you can see right here it did save it as a .t. Now to put something on the screen, such as a string, what we have to do is use the command called put. Now all strings are enclosed in a quotation mark, so I will simply type in hello world, close it off with the ending quotation mark, and now I'm going to use the run button and run it, see what happens. As you can see, what I typed within the string is exactly what I typed out, including the space as well. So I'm just going to close this. Now what happens if I want to do simple math? Do some simple addition. I can do that too. I can type 5 + 5. So what do you think is going to be outputted to the screen? Now, if you put 5 + 5 is going to be output to the screen, you might be mistaken. Watch what happens when I hit the run button. It shows me 10. So that means it actually did the addition for us, which is handy when it comes to not wanting to think about it ourselves. So here's what you do if you want to actually display what the output already is doing. What you can do is put it in quotation marks, like we know, and if we want to actually do the addition and have the answer, we can do that as well. So we'll type in 5 + 5, which we already know shows 10. So now watch what happens when I run it. It shows me 5 + 5 is equal to 10, which we all know. So anyways, that was the basics of Turing for now. Until next time.